How to stop Chrome from opening apps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So all you have to do is just go to the settings of the device, and as you tap on settings of your device, you just have to scroll down to the very end and tap on Google option over here. Then as you tap on Google, it will lead you to a new page where you will be able to see different options over here. So as you have already logged in, so tap on all services over here. Now scroll down and then tap on settings for Google Apps over here at the very end. As you tap on settings for Google Apps, tap on Google Play Instant. And here you'll be able to see that the upgrade web links has been toggled on. So just make sure that you toggle off this option, turn off, and then restart your device, and you'll be able to stop the Chrome from opening apps. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.